Okay kids, let's start skip counting by 8. Don't you know that 8 is equal to 10 minus 2? Let's start doing it. Let me start with 8. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Minus 2 is equal to what number? You are right, it's 16. Let's proceed. 16 plus 10 is equal to 26. Minus 2 is equal to 24. Let's proceed. 24 plus 10 is equal to 34. Minus 2 is equal to 32. Let us continue. 32 plus 10 is equal to 42. Minus 2 is equal to what number? You are correct. It's 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Minus 2 is equal to 48. Let us continue. 48 plus 10 is equal to 58. Minus 2 is equal to what number? Absolutely, you are correct. It's 56. 56 plus 10 is equal to 66. Minus 2 is equal to 64. Let us continue. 64 plus 10 is equal to 74. Minus 2 is equal to 72. Let's continue. 72 plus 10 is equal to 82. Minus 2 is equal to 80. Let us proceed. 80 plus 10 is 90. Minus 2 is 88. 88 plus 10 is equal to 98. Minus 2 is equal to 96. To summarize our skip counting by 8, we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 64, 72, 80, 88, and 96. Sa mga batang gustong matuto ng math, meron po tayong libreng serbisyo mula sa iVolunteer for Filipino Children. Okay kids, let's start skip counting by 9. Don't you know that 9 is 10 minus 1? It's easier to count by adding 10 and then less 1. Let me start with number 9. 9 plus 10 is 19. Minus 1 is equal to what number? You are right, it's 18. After 18, what is next? 18 plus 10 is 28. Minus 1 is what number? Right, it's 27. Let's proceed. 27 plus 10 is equal to 37. Minus 1 is equal to 36. Let's proceed. 36 plus 10 is equal to 46. Minus 1 is equal to what number? That's right, it is 45. Let's proceed. 45 plus 10 is equal to 55. Minus 1 is equal to what number? You are absolutely correct. It's 54. Can you guess the next number? Let us continue. 54 plus 10 is equal to 64. 64 minus 1 is equal to what number? That is right, it's 63. Let us continue. 63 plus 10 is equal to 73. Minus 1 is equal to 72. 72 plus 10 is equal to 82. Minus 1 is equal to 81. Let's continue. 81 plus 10 is 91. Minus 1 is equal to 90. Let's proceed. 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. Minus 1 is equal to what number? You are absolutely right. It's 99. To summarize our skip counting by 9, we have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and 99. At sa mga batang gustong matuto ng math, meron po tayong libreng serbisyo mula sa iVolunteer for Filipino Children. Now, let's start skip counting by 11. 11 is equal to 10 plus 1. Therefore, we can skip by adding 10 with that number plus 1. Are you ready? Let me start with 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. Plus 1 is equal to what number? You are correct. It's 22. What comes after 22? 22 plus 10 is equal to 32. Plus 1 is equal to what number? You are correct. It's 33. After 33, what will be the next number? 33 plus 10 is equal to 43. Plus 1 is equal to what number? You are right. It's 44. Let's proceed. 44 plus 10 is equal to 54. Plus 1 is equal to 55. Let's continue. 55 plus 10 is equal to 65. Plus 1 is equal to what number? You are correct. It's 66. Let's proceed. 66 plus 10 is equal to 76. Plus 1 is equal to what number? That's right. It's 77. Let's proceed. 77 plus 10 is equal to 87. Plus 1 is equal to what number? You are absolutely right. It's 88. 88 plus 10 is equal to 98. Plus 1 is equal to what number? Congratulations, you have done it successfully. As a summary, we have done skip counting by 11 as 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. Congratulations, kids. Let us skip counting by 12. 12 is equal to 10 plus 2. Therefore, let us add that number with 10 plus 2. Are you ready? Let's start with 12. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Plus 2 is equal to 24. That easy. I repeat. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Plus 2 is equal to 24. After 24, what's next? 24 plus 10 is 34. Plus 2 is equal to what number? Correct. It's 36. I repeat. 24 plus 10 is 34. Plus 2 is equal to 36. What's next after 36? 36 plus 10 plus 2. What is that number? Yes, you are correct. After 36, we have 48. What is next after 48? Can you guess? 48 plus 10 is equal to 58. plus 2 is equal to 60. I repeat, 48 plus 10 is equal to 58, plus 2 is equal to 60. Can you guess what is next after 60? 60 plus 10 is equal to 70, plus 2 is what number? You are correct. It's 72. What is next after 72? 72 plus 10 plus 2 is what number? Absolutely, you are correct. It's 84. Let's proceed. After 84, what is that number? 84 plus 10 is 94. Plus 2 is what number? It's 96. Great job. As a summary, we have skip count 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. Congratulations! This is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.